Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is ideal for commercial and residential and farming. The size is 7,000 square meters with a wide frontage located in Barangay Atchila o Bohol. Very close from highway and soon to rise City Hardware. So may malaking hardware dyan, guys. Malapit lang talaga, very close from this property. Although the front is rice field or a little bit swamp, but I think it's not a big issue to put filling materials. Hindi naman karamihan siguro ang ilagay natin na mga lupa kung mag-fill. Kung i-fill up natin, no, o maglagay tayo ng filling materials para malibel sa karsada. So kung ito, guys, gawin nating commercial or residential, apartment o boarding house, maganda to, guys, pero because very close talaga from the town proper and other business industry in Ubay. So, Ubay is a very progressive town, first class municipality in Bohol and northern part of Bohol province. And Ubay also has already soon to open mall, Pure Gold Mall. May McDonald's na. At saka may existing airport ito, guys, na sa tingin ko parang may mga ano na sila, may mga negosasyon na sila na para sigurong mag-open talaga ng airport dyan sa, because this is northern part of Bohol, is around 100 kilometers from Tagbilaran City. So mga 2 hours to 3 hours drive. So ito po yun ang tinatrabaho, no, under construction hardware, because City Hardware is a big company, guys, almost in Cebu and Bohol or any part of the provinces may City Hardware na. So 2 hectares itong development nila. So maganda ang lupa nating binibinta for investment talaga. So ang owner dyan ay wala dyan, nandun sa Manila, pinabinta lang sa amin kasi hindi na siya makauwi. So maganda talaga yun. So just only 500 pesos. Kung bibili ka sa highway, medyo mataas talaga ang presyuhan dito kasi wala na commercial na eh. So ito po yung McDonald's, guys. May McDonald's na sa Ubay. So aside from McDonald's, so there are more many existing, no, commercial. That is the public market, no, of Ubay in front of the McDonald's. So Ubay has 45 barangays, no. Marami na ring nakasitol sa Ubay. So maganda ang Ubay Isitol, guys, kasi more improved na siya compared to the other towns in parts of Bohol, in other parts of Bohol. Maganda talaga ang Ubay. May beaches, may mga beach na, may seaport going to Leyte, at saka may ano rin, yung seaport na yan connecting sa Leyte going to Manila na yan. So Samar going to Bicol, yun, connect to Manila yan. May mga bus na nag-travel papuntang Manila at dadaan dito sa Ubay. So ito po yun, maganda po talaga ang ano kung mag-invest tayo sa Ubay, guys. So malaki na yung mga ano nila, mga daanan, highway, malaki. May sarili din silang ibang mga tulad ng mga bus terminal. So meron din. So ito po yon ang ano, guys, Pure Gold Mall. So sabi sa in charge dyan, kausap ko, malapit na sila mag-open this March talaga, sabi nila February. Pero according to the in charge, no, nakausap ko talaga mismo, sabi niya di na kaya sa February, March talaga, sir. Yun po ang sabi ng tao dyan. So yung nag-arrange. So malaki po yan, Pure Gold Mall. So sa likuran po yung Pure Gold is the police station na po. Tapos yung sa ano, yung nasa adjacent is ano rin, yung Ah, yan, cultural po yan. Tapos yung municipal hall ng Ubay. So, maganda mag-invest sa Ubay guys. So, medyo mura pa yung property, 500 pesos per square meter pa kahit magtambak tayo ng kaunti, pero hindi tayo malulugi dyan. So, just contact me. Then, if you have properties, no, may binibenta kayo na property, just contact me also. I will help you sell your property guys. Nandyan man lang buyer natin dito, no? Mag-contact lang agad sa atin. So, ito po yung pure gold, oh. Malaki, malaki po. Nasa sentro talaga. Okay? So, I repeat, the property we are selling is the 7,000 square meters at Barangay Chila, Ubay, Bohol, corner, 500 pesos per square meter. Napakamura lang talaga. Just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.